Okay, I brought up another spreadsheet here. This is just to show different types of formatting. You've got merge cell on here. I'm just going to show the wrap text one. Wrap text basically means that the text sometimes falls out the cell that it's supposed to be in. So you can see here it's going over a couple. So it looks a little bit messy. So there's an easy way of doing it really. We want the text to wrap in on itself, so it just pushes it all in basically. So all I can do, again, if I just select all of them, I'll do it all in one go. Go up to the top, it's next to where merge and center is, it's just here called wrap text. So just click onto it and it puts it all nice and neat inside the actual cell now, so wraps it up. And if I go up to here next to wrap text on the left hand side here, you see I got center, so I normally center it up as well, and then I just make it in the middle alignment so it's halfway through. Didn't do a lot on that one. So it makes it look a little bit neater and a little bit tidier.